Full time, Fulham nil, Arsenal 3, a good way for us to kick off the season, and we kicked off the season with a convincing win. We scored as early as the 8th minute through Alexander Lacazette. Xhaka's shot took a deflection in the box, it fell into Willian's path. Willian's shot was saved by Rodak, and Lacazette slotted the rebound home from a couple of yards. We had one nervy moment before the goal when there was a slight moment of miscommunication between Gabriel and Leno, where Gabriel just let it run and Onoma almost slotted it past Leno. So Leno was alert to thwart him. Willian's free kick then hit the post, the left hand post, and Aubameyang had a shot saved by Rodak towards the end of the first half. We were not great in the first half, but you can say we were fine. Second half we were a lot better and a lot more convincing. We scored in the 49th minute from Gabriel, a corner from Willian, and a header that went through Rodak's legs. And 8 minutes later, Aubameyang made it 3-0 in the 57th minute. A pass from Willian, and Aubameyang cut inside from the left and slotted home a brilliant goal, similar to the one against Liverpool. And we had more chances where Lacazette could have scored, and Bellerin also played very well, and he created a chance for Oba, where Oba's shot was cleared off the line. And we were knocking on the door a lot, but we couldn't quite get the fourth goal. But anyway, we were still good enough, and it was definitely a convincing win. Very impressed by the new boys Willian and Gabriel. Camara had a shot from Fulham that went just wide, but Leno hardly had anything to do, and it was a good way to start. I'm sad about Emi Martinez leaving, but we can't keep two keepers happy, and maybe Arteta prefers Leno. Both are good keepers in their own right. I love Emi Martinez, but if he wants to play regularly, I can understand his decision. I wish Emi Martinez all the best. He's most likely leaving now because BBC had mentioned he's having a medical, so that's pretty much confirmed. So alright, let's get into the player ratings real quick. Leno gets a 7.5 out of 10. He had one thing to do in the first half, but he had only a couple of saves to make. Nothing much for him to do. Rob Holding, he gets a 7.5 out of 10 because he did his job very well. I'll give him an 8 out of 10 because he did his job very well, and we kept the clean sheet. So that was very important. Gabriel, I'm going to give a 9 out of 10. He could have had a 9.5 if it wasn't a slight early error, but he produced a brilliant performance for his debut. He made a lot of tackles and interceptions and scored, which is fantastic. Kieran Tierney gets an 8 out of 10. Defended well at centre back and provided good forward passes. Hector Bellerin gets an 8 out of 10. Solid throughout the game and was very influential in our attack, even creating a chance for Aubameyang. Maitland-Niles gets a 7.5 out of 10. Not spectacular like against Liverpool, but relatively solid and did his job. Xhaka gets an 8 out of 10. He was involved in the first goal and was making good forward passes. Elneny, I'll also give the same 8 out of 10 because he was solid and he was everywhere in midfield and showed good energy throughout. Willian gets a 8 out of 10 for his 2 assists, and he was involved in the first goal also, you can see. So I think 8.5 is a better rating. Lacazette gets 8 out of 10. He scored the goal. He could have scored a few more. Worked hard and made good runs. Aubameyang also gets an 8 out of 10. Scored a brilliant goal. Could have had a few more and did everything he could. And going into the substitutes, I'll give them a 6 out of. I'll give them all a 6 out of 10 because they managed to see out the game, although they didn't have a sufficient impact. Normally by default it's 5, but I'll give it a 6 this time. I would also like to announce that I won't be able to do videos very frequently now due to certain commitments I have on alternate weekends. I have other professional commitments, not related to work, but related to some personal project I've undertaken. So I won't be able to upload every match. I'll see if I'll continue uploading. It'll be difficult, but you can catch me on my WordPress blog, and I'll now start posting match reviews via blogs, because it will be more easier for me to do, because on YouTube I'll have to upload all of them. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Enjoy and have a great day.